Hello children, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 6 years. In this video, I would like to teach you chapter 3, playing with numbers. This is the part 1 video on playing with the numbers. In this part 1, we are going to learn divisibility rules. Divisibility by 2, 3, 6, 9, 5, 10, 4, 8 and 11. Let us learn one by one. First of all, what is a divisibility rule? The process of checking whether a number is divisible by a given number or not without actual division is called divisibility rule. Another name for divisibility rule is test of divisibility. Another name for a divisibility rule is test of divisibility. Divisibility by 2. To understand divisibility by 2, let us look at the number chart. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100 and so on. These all numbers are exactly divisible by 2. If we observe these numbers, we can understand here 2. These are all 2. The numbers which have 2 in units digits divisible. The numbers which have 4 in units digits are divisible. The numbers which have 6 in unit digits are divisible. The numbers which have 8 in unit digits are divisible. The numbers which have 0 in ones digits are divisible. These all are even numbers, we know. That's why we can conclude all even numbers are exactly divisible by 2. All even numbers are exactly divisible by 2. We know even numbers. The numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place, they are even numbers. Or in other words, last digit of a number as either of the digits 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Example, some more example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 divisible. 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 2 divisible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 divisible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divisible. 8, 9, 8, 9, 9, 7, 6, 6, 8 divisible. So these all numbers are exactly divisible by 2. We have to observe this unit digits only. This is the ones place or units place. If the unit digit either of the digit 0 to 4, 6, 8, then the number is exactly divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3. To understand this divisibility by 3, we have to observe this number chart. We know multiples of 3 are exactly divisible by 3. That's why we can check these multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, 99, and so on. These all numbers are exactly divisible by 3. If we observe these numbers, we can get an idea. Here sum of here one digit only, 3, 6, 9. In this row, here we have only single digit. So next here 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. Here 1 plus 5, 6. Next 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 7, 9. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 6, 9. 3 plus 9, 12. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 8, 12. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 4, 9. In this sequence, we understood every time we are getting either of the digit 369, 369, 369, this unit digit. If we added this 3, if we added this 3, 369, when we add the digits in a number till we get a single digit, that single digit is called digital root. Digital root. When we add the digits in a number till we get a single digit, that single digit is called digital root of that number. The digital root of number 39 is 3. The digital root of 48 is 3. Here 9. So what we understood, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is exactly divisible by 3. Or if the digital root of a number is 3 or 6 or 9, then the number is exactly divisible by 3. Let us see once again. Divisibility by 3. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Or if the digital root of a number is 3 or 6 or 9, then the number is exactly divisible by 3. Next, divisibility by 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is exactly divisible by 3. Let us see one example. (210) is divisible by 2 because it has 0 in one's place. 210 is divisible by 3 because the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. 2 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 3. Our digital root is 3. Therefore, 210 is exactly divisible by 6. We can check it by actual division. 6 3s are 18. 3 0. Bring down 0. 6 5s are 30. So we tested. This is called checking. What we understood, If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is also exactly divisible by 6. Divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is exactly divisible by 6. Divisibility by 9. If the sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is exactly divisible by 9. Or if the digital root of a number is 9, then the number is exactly divisible by 9. In short, sum of the digits is divisible by 9, or the digital root of number is 9. Let us see one example. "12 crore, 34 lakhs, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So 12 crores, 34 lakhs, 56,789. We can test this number is divisible or not. We can find a digital root. Sum of the digit: 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 7, 28, 28 plus 8, 36, 36 plus 9, 45. We got 45. So sum of the digits is divisible by 9. 9 5s are 45. And also we can find digital root. Means again we have to add till we get a single digit. We add the digits in a number till we get a single digit. That single digit only called digital roots. That's why again we have to add 4 plus 5, 9. So we got 9 as digital roots. That's why this number 12 crore 34 lakhs 56,789 is exactly divisible by 9. We can verify this. We can test by actual division. But I will use short division. This is a short division. 9 ones are 9, 3, 9 threes are 27, 9 threes are 27, 6, 9 sevens are 63, 1, 9 ones are 9, 6, 9 sevens are 63, 3, 9 fours are 36, 1, 9 twos are 18, 9 ones, no balance, 9 ones are 9. So this is the no remainder here, means 0 remainder. This is totally quotient. So we tested this. This is exactly divisible by 9. Next, divisible by 5. If the number has 0 or 5 in ones place, then the number is exactly divisible by 5. Ones place means unit digit or last digit is 0 or 5. Let us see one example. 120, 135, 275, etc. Next, divisibility by 10. Last digit is 0. Unit digit is 0. Divisibility by 10. If the number has 0 in ones place, then the number is exactly divisible by 10. Ones place means unit digit, unit place. Let us see few examples. 10, 90, 1000, 8000, etc. Divisibility by 4. If the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the number is exactly divisible by 4. Last two digits means ones, tens places. Ones, tens places. The number formed by the digits ones, tens places is divisible by 4, then the number is exactly divisible by 4. We can observe in number chart, if a number has the last two digits, we have to identify multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are exactly divisible by 4. That's why we have to identify the multiples of 4. So multiples of 4 means 0, 4. Last digits 0, 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96. The numbers which have any of the digits, two digits, ones in ones and tens, then the number is exactly divisible by 4. Let us see few examples. So we have to check this number. The number found by last two digits, 4. So 4 is exactly divisible by 4. This we have to divide. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. So a 0 remainder. So this number also exactly divisible by 4. Last two digits, 7 6. 4 1s are 4 3, 4 9s are 36. So 0 remainder. This is the quotient we know. So this also exactly divisible by 4. So these we have in this 76. So like this we can check which is divisible or not divisible by 4. Divisibility by 8. If the last 3 digits of a number is exactly divisible by 8, then the number is exactly divisible by 8. Last 3 digits means ones, tens, hundreds place digits. Last 3 digits means ones, tens, hundreds. The number formed by the digits ones, tens, hundreds is divisible by 8, then the number is exactly divisible by 8. Let us see few examples. Last 3 digits ones, tens, hundreds. 104. We have to check this number. 8 ones are 8. Short division. I am following short division only. 8 ones are 8. 2 8 threes are 24. So no remainder. We got 0 as remainder. This is the quotient. So 5104 is exactly divisible by 8. Next, second one, 6112. In this also we have to check these last 3 digits. Formed by last 3 digits is 112. Eight ones are 8. 8 3 is 8 ones are 8. 3 balance, 3 remainder. 8 fours are 32. So no remainder means 0 remainder. So this is the quotient. So this is also exactly divisible by 8. Next, one more example. 720. Last 3 digits 120. 8 ones are 8. 4 remainder. Here 48. 8 6 are 48. Sorry, 0 120. 8 5 are 40. So there is no remainder means 0 remainder. This is the quotient. So this is also exact divisible by 8. What we understood, if the last 3 digits ones, tens, hundreds, the number found by the last 3 digits ones, tens, hundreds is divisible by 8, then the number is also exactly divisible by 8. Next, divisibility by 11. If the sum of the digits in odd places and sum of the digits in even places in a number are equal, or the difference of the sums is divisible by 11, then the number is exactly divisible by 11. Let us see few examples. Sum of the digits in odd places. This is the place odd. This ones place, first place. This is place 1, 3, 5, first place, third place, fifth place, seventh place, ninth place. Place is odd, not digit is odd. May or may not be. Sum of the digits in odd places. Like this. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. Two plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. So the sum of the digits in odd places, these are even places, to fourth place, second place, fourth place, sixth place, eighth place. Place only even, may or may not be these digits are even or odd. So sum of these digits 20. So these sums are equal. These both are equal. So this number 12 crore 34 lakhs 6,789 is exactly divisible by 11. We can test by short division method. 2, 3, 4. 11 ones are 11, 1 remainder. 11 ones are 11, 2 remainder. 11 twos are 22, 2 remainder. 11 ones are 11, 9 remainder. 11 eights are 88, 8 remainder. 11 sevens are 77, 10 remainder. 11 nines are 99, 9 remainder. 11 nines are 99. So there is no remainder, means 0 remainder. So we checked by short division. This is short division method. This is actual division, is short division. Next, one more example. Sum of the digits in odd places. Odd places digits, this 1, 3, 5, 5th place, 7th place, 9th place. So these are odd places. 1 plus 3, 4, 9, 16, 25. Sum of these odd places is 25. Next, sum of the digits in even places. This second place, fourth place, sixth place, eighth place are even places. One, two, three. If we observe these sums, these aren't equal. So we have to check another rule also. The difference of the sums is divisible by 11. Difference of these sums, 25 minus 3 is equal to 22. So 22 is divisible by 11. We can check. So this is by observing only we can understood. Multiple of 2 are exactly divisible by 11. I think you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, you like it. If there is any doubt, you comment in comment box. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you immediately subscribe and press the bell icon. Then you can get my latest updates. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.